Did you know that America is home to some of the most stunning landscapes on Earth? From the giant canyon walls of the Grand Canyon in Arizona to the powerful waterfalls of Niagara Falls, nature here looks absolutely unreal. In the west, Yosemite National Park boasts dramatic cliffs and ancient trees. Travel north to Alaska for glaciers and untouched wilderness that feels like another planet. If you love tropical vibes, Hawaii offers volcanoes and crystal-clear ocean water. And don't forget the colorful desert formations of Antelope Canyon, carved by time. America isn't just cities and skyscrapers, it's wild nature and endless horizons. Which place would you like to visit first? Let me know in the comments.